Select Kia models come with automatic climate control with a switchable controller. The switchable controller is located on the dash button panel. It allows you to choose between control panels, the climate control system or the infotainment system. When you press this button, the selected control panel will be activated and the system icon will illuminate. The buttons on the control panel that correspond with the system selected will change, and either the climate control or the infotainment system will be displayed. You can change the default mode for the control panel by pressing and holding the climate control button. Select Off, Infotainment, or Climate. The system will return to the selected display when the other display times out. When the vehicle is in accessory position, only the infotainment system controls will be active. Turn the vehicle power on to operate the climate control. Press the Auto button to automatically set the mode, fan speed, air intake, and heater or air conditioning for the climate control system. Automatic operation has 3 levels. The first time you press the Auto button, the system will turn on with airflow in the high setting. Press it again for the medium setting, and the third time for the lowest airflow setting. Then select your desired temperature. To turn the auto setting off, simply select one of the following buttons: Mode, Air Conditioning, Front Defroster, or Fan Speed. Both the driver and front seat passenger can set the temperature to their desired setting. Or you can press Sync and the system will synchronize the driver and passenger temperatures. You can also select where the airflow is distributed: face level, both at face and floor level only, and floor and defrost level. To defrost the front windshield, set the fan speed to the highest position. Set the temperature to hot, and press the front defrost button. Be aware that the defrost mode activates the air conditioning and opens the fresh air vents to help dehumidify the air and improve defroster performance. Select Kia models also have an auto defogging system, or ADS, that automatically senses the moisture on the windshield and switches on as needed to keep the windshield clear. ADS is on by default every time the vehicle is started. To turn it off, press and hold the front defroster button for 3 seconds and the indicator will blink. To turn ADS back on, press and hold the front defroster button again. You can also access some climate control settings from the infotainment system screen by pressing the Climate button. Here, you can adjust the climate temperature, select the driver-only setting, adjust the auto setting, change the airflow mode, turn the AC on or off, activate the sync mode, and turn the seat warmers on or off, as well as other climate control settings. For additional information, please refer to your owner's manual, the Kia Features and Functions Guide, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!